Now, we put it inside a 5-gallon bucket, put water in that 5-gallon bucket. We're going to turn it on and see if it works. And I'm trying to hold it in case it tries to jump out of the bucket. It may splash water all over me.
You ready?
Yeah. That's good.
Let me just show them real fast.
Yep, so it pulls up from the bottom.
Like that.
And goes down. Can we move this out of the way? Pour more water in there?
Yeah, you can probably pour a little bit
I'm
more.
all in on camera. Keep it in. I ain't going after it.
You sure?
Pretty sure.
That's $40.
I know. Gonna have to add that to the materials for the. All right, turn it on. Right. Man, how am I gonna get my $40? That reminds me of the joke of the two cowboys that came in off the range to a 2-hole toilet. Both of them went and sat down. One stood up and pulled his pants up, and a $5 bill fell in there. And they both looked at each other. The guy took out his wallet, dropped another $5 in there. And the guy said, "What'd you do that for? You already dropped 1 $5." He says, "Well, I ain't going in there for $5. I'm going for 10."